lot of animals there today. I'm pretty sure I saw everything but a lion and a giraffe and a rhino. So a lot of traffic on the track with the animals, but we just had to push through the day and try not to lose any time. And in the end, we made some time, so it was really good. Yeah.
Good stage for us, just not easy also because a lot of navigation in the stage and we don't take any risk, but okay, I'm quite happy to win the stage except the penalty what we have from the speeding, but this was there is no waypoint and we need to check again. It's look like everybody doesn't have, but we go to correct, but now we are negotiate about this penalty, 2 minutes. But okay, except yesterday, the 15-minute penalty, this has put us like completely out of the podium, but still 2 days, I will try to do my best, tomorrow.